Good morning all. Told you I'd start already. Hope you're all well. Let's go. Morning. Nice. Make sure all systems are go. They look good. Yeah, all looks good here. Alright, let's get into it. So, let's start off on the daily. You guys know the drill here. Today is an important day. Have a look at Forex Factory. Today is Friday. And Friday we do have NFP, right? So NFP today, they're expecting an employment change to forecast is for price to, well, actually last time they added more jobs, right? They added more jobs. Now they're expecting jobs to go down, which is interesting. I kind of feel like this will come back better than expected. And where's the music? There is music. Let me see if you guys can hear it. Yeah, that is weird. Let's see if I can fix that right now. Let's see if I can fix that. My bad. Yeah, I don't know why the music's not coming through. Let me try reopen Spotify here. I thought music was playing the whole time. Let me fix that first. It's annoying me. Let's see. Let's let that load and then I'll get on with it. Did I take a sell? No, I had really big technical difficulties this morning. And I've just been rushing to try to get that fixed. Whole PC got messed up. How about now? Can you guys hear it now? Now you guys should be able to hear it. I'm pretty sure. Good. Alright, so NFP about to come out. I think that you'll see probably more jobs added, which will probably... If this number comes back worse than expected, you'll see gold jump up first, right? You see gold jump up first before dropping down. If it comes back better than expected, then you'll see gold actually continue down. Worse than expected, gold is gonna jump up. So my volume is pretty low too. Damn, what's going on with? I've told you guys my whole PC got messed up. My volume shouldn't be that low. I can see it spiking pretty harsh. Let me know if my volume is low or what. If it is, I can fix it. It's all good? Okay, sweet. Guys are trolling me, man. Come on. So yeah, gold will be a little bit tough till after this news. So be careful about gold with this news here. But that's what I expect to happen. Unemployment rate forecasted to come back at 3.6. Probably will come back same as expected. I don't think too much of a change. As for GJ right now, we have no top wick on this current candle here. We're in a range. It's as simple as that. I don't think there's much more complicated than that. If we look at the daily candle here, how is the daily candle closed? The daily candle is closed bearish here at the top of the range. We have a long rejection wick though. 4-hour time frame is closing bearish here. So, you know, sells do make sense, but we only have till this 4-hour support zone around here to take sells. If I was to take sells before stream like you guys said, then yeah, maybe that 5-minute close might have been good. This is not longer really relevant, this zone. It's kind of here. Yeah, that would have made sense selling below here. That is a pre-stream option. Today we do have Bailey speaking though. That is important for GBP. Did that get changed or is that still going ahead? No, that did get changed. All right, that's interesting to see. 7th, we were having Bailey speaking today, but that got changed. So that's actually good for us that that got changed. So we don't have to worry about that. Next week though, next week we have a lot of Bailey speaking on Monday. We have Bailey speaking. We have climate change, sorry, on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we have Bailey speaking again. Thursday, we have GDP numbers. And Friday, we have a break. So pretty crazy day next week. And yeah, that was an okay sell. No top wick though. Probably wouldn't have entered, to be honest, with no top wick. For now though, the plan on GJ is going to be, let's have a look. It's the 4-hour support. Potential 1 hour come to this zone here. Yeah, probably sells below here. Right, sells below this support right here. But where is that support on the 4-hour? Yeah, it will be below that as well. Yeah, that makes sense. Which is also the current 4-hour support is here. Let me see if I move that, what happens. Yep. So I think sells below here makes sense for me. We do have a range down to around here. So that looks like a clean range to take sells, 20-30 pips here. If not, pullbacks to continue. So that's pretty simple plan. Pullbacks to continue or sells below here. That's my plan. Pretty nice and clean, nothing too complicated here. And that's what I'm gonna wait for. And yeah, that's basically it. What I'm gonna do with GJ here. As for gold, let's have a look at gold pre-news. What we did yesterday, news pumped up here and then dumped pretty heavy on gold. That's what we saw. If we start on the daily time frame here and we go to the daily, we can see that the daily is still stuck within this range. So I think today we might have a resolution, and we might see that price breaks towards the upside here or the downside. As I said, will be dependent on how news comes out. If numbers come worse than expected, I do expect to see a spike back up to the top of the range. If numbers do come out better than expected, you probably see gold drop and break through the range, which makes sense with previous daily closing bearish. Weekly, weekly is a little bit rough, but that monthly close, we saw how heavy. So this could be the catalyst for price to continue down. If for now it's looking very choppy, this is very dirty price action, really pump and dump type thing here. So I think for today on gold, 4 hours bullish but reaching resistance, so there's no way you can buy till you get above this resistance here. So yeah, I think if buys are going to happen in this session, they're going to be above this resistance. So support above here to continue bullish, and sells is easy below, right below here, right? Fake out back into this range here. That could be an option. That could be a good option, to be honest. Fake out back into this range right here. If we get price closing back into this range here, we could take price as a fake out back down into here and then eventually lower, which would be cool to try hold with news as well, because the 4 hour, but I want to see this tested before we take that. I want to see this 4 hour resistance tested first, because this is heavy rejection coming from the bottom of the range. So look what's happened every time we've come from the bottom of the range. So it actually makes more sense to buy from the bottom of the range than try be smart and be the first person to sell here, right? So that's how it is. That's exactly how it is. You missed the move. Told you Wickfield sells. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Always coming in this chat and hating. It's your trend for these days. Not sure what's going on with you, but not sure what you're talking about, man. Can you please look at FTSE and US 30? Both. Man, top requester, huh? FTSE and US 30. Yeah, we can have a look. What's your zoom on your browser? What do you mean? Oh, just a normal zoom. It's just a stream. I just crop the tabs at the top and crop a bit of the side because we don't need all of the side thing. But it's just normally 100%. So it's just normal 100%. So yeah, we might break back into this zone here and take sells pretty quick. So that's all right. I don't mind that happening. If we can close below here. These wicks are a problem. Are these wicks bodies on 5? No, they're not. That's nice. So these wicks don't become a problem unless, because if a candle closes below here and we see resistance, that candle is doing what both of these candles could not do. And then we could see the move towards the downside. Just want to check where we would be on the daily. Yeah, the daily would be moving back into this daily support. So yeah, we have this range here. So this is the best range to be able to sell. Anything back around 182,500 is where it's risky to sell. So our only chance to sell today is basically to here. Where's the 1 hour support? Yeah, 1 hour looks good. 30-minute has a small support. We'll be break even by there anyways. And yeah, I'll look at US 30 for whoever requested. US 30, start on the daily. Daily time frame closed bearish here at the bottom of the range so far. And 4 hour time frame is kind of trending bearish. So it's tough because we're at the bottom of the range. So if you want to sell, you're basically looking to trade back to this support here and hope to get continuation. And I think buys would be nice if we could start breaking above this resistance here at 33,940. Because we're at the bottom of the range. So if you're selling, be very, very careful. This is like you're just trying to get in a position, but watch for rejection. I'd rather you wait for New York, let price reject here, and then try take a buys above here, because I don't think selling into this daily support is the best idea. I think if you want to sell US 30, it'll be better to wait for below the daily support. I think that's the best way to set it up. You were talking about wick fill cells on GJ? Yeah, I told you I had technical difficulties with my computer. I just managed to be able to stream. I lost all my drawings, I lost my tabs, I lost my logins. I had to re-log into everything. Why do you think I'm hating, Harry? I really don't come on here. I just don't agree with you sometimes. That's not hating. No, every time you come in here, you don't agree with me. So I'm just asking you what's going on. That's all, brother. It's simple. You don't have to agree with me, but it seems like you don't enjoy being here. So, I mean, you know, maybe the way you're delivering it, but it doesn't matter, bro. It doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. Doesn't affect me and doesn't affect you, right? Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the analysis, leave a like on the stream. Come on, T-Rex. that guy T-Rex actually has been he's known me, well, he's followed me for a long time, over 2 years, I think. Yeah, 146 of us in here. Appreciate all of you guys showing up. Can we give a like on the stream? Can we get the likes to around 70 likes? I would appreciate that. I really pushed hard to get to the stream this morning. I really pushed hard. I was really just barely ate super quick like this, rushed upstairs, right? Rushed upstairs and got the stream running, right? I literally had to reset up everything. It was super annoying. That's why all the music and stuff like that was messed up. Can we look at GU? Yeah, sure. I can have a look at GU quickly. Need to see the daily. Morning ATR, brother. Hope you're well. So daily did close bullish with a long rejection, which is not the best for continuation. Yeah, that's a mess. Top of the range. You need a 4-hour candle closing above 1.275 to get buys. Buying here is the worst place to buy. You should never buy at 4-hour resistance. If we start pushing heavy and we get above this 4-hour resistance, which is somewhere around here, so look for support above. You can trade to this high here. That's the only option. I won't sell GU just yet. It's not ready. I think if you're going to sell GU, minimum you need to break below this zone as a counter trend trade and see resistance below to continue down. I think that's the best option to sell GU. Otherwise, I don't like it. I enjoy your analysis. My trading improved a lot for 2 weeks being here. Oh, good, man. First thing I do every morning, hitting the like button. I appreciate it. T-Rex, he likes you but doesn't invent it. Who says I don't like him? Maybe he's taking me wrong. I'm probably one of the oldest viewers here. Yeah, you probably are. That's why I'm asking if everything's okay. That's why I'm asking everything okay. I'm saying, what's going on, man? Is everything okay? I'm asking if you're okay. No one asks if you're okay. Buys on GJ? I think buys would be better from the full bottom of the range down here. You know, this is in the middle of the range, not the best place to buy in the middle. Yesterday we had a preview of yesterday's NFP jobs open double already? Yes. You ordered a new CPU yet? I need to. This is why the whole thing got messed up this morning, because I was trying to fix that. It's the reason everything got messed up this morning, because I was trying to fix and make my computer run better. What's going on with gold? Yeah, as I said, gold is still stuck in this spot. If you're going to buy above here, you need support above here to continue up. This is a news candle, doesn't count as an LTA, right? So you're looking as this as a resistance. And probably sells might make sense below here, but fake out sells might be pretty cool. But again, NFP day, do you really need to force something? Price is probably going to wait till NFP. The strategy I use, does it work on the crypto markets? Yes, it does. Look at this. So if you go here, this is the private group. And you go to crypto, right? Just toggle to crypto chat. You'll see very kindly by one of our members, we have everyday analysis is placed in this crypto chat here. Every day we get analysis given to us. And this is using the same price action strategy, right? Nice, clean and simple. So of course it does work, and it works pretty well if you use it correctly. There'll of course be different traits with different pairs. You know, some pairs will respect wicks more than others, which is like Bitcoin and stuff. How's group energy today? Group energy always high. Thanks, brother. Thanks. Yeah, we got it sorted. Don't worry. How do you see the UJ? I'll have a look. Let's have a look. So daily breaks this low on UJ is quite nice. Looks pretty cool. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours pulling back to the bottom of the range. Asian was clean on this from up this close below here to tap here. I'm sure John planned this out. Yeah, pulling. I think you need a pullback to continue down. Maybe Crest has already won. Yeah, let's see. Yep, possibly below this support here, which would also be breaking the daily low, is what I would see for UJ. I need to put the links for these streams. I'll do that. I'm trying to help T-Rex. He's good. He's good. He's good. Now he's advertising. What indicators do you use to plot your support and resistance? To plot my support and resistance, you guys, most of the guys who've been watching here know which indicator I use. It's a very expensive indicator. It's called EYES indicator. So you can check that out, EYES. It's unique to each individual. I think it's priceless. It's priceless. Have I taken anything yet? No, not personally. Can I check Gbpjpy? Since you said thank you and you were nice, yeah, I can. Yeah, that's a nice daily close on Gbpjpy. 4 hour looks good. Yeah, this thing looks way bullish. This thing looks good to continue up. If you can hold support above this 4 hour resistance, you should be able to continue up to 1.70551. So for entries, pretty simple, pretty clean day. Looking for just buys above this resistance here. So if you can close above this resistance, you should be able to take buys towards the upside. Just have a look what's here to the left. Yeah, so just be careful of anything here. Let's have a look. Yeah, so just mark that out. Kind of this zone has been a rejection zone. Yeah, so anything closing above these wicks, you should be fine to continue up bullish. That should be good. It's like a chameleon attacks the markets. Only winner yesterday, yeah. You seem very nice today. No, happy every day. Is it possible I could please check GBP NZD? Alright guys, I'll check. Last pair and then I need a break. Same type of thing. Buys above this type of high here coming from the lows. Daily will be bullish. Previous 4 hour will be bullish by now. Yep. So if this can get above the highs, looks good. If you're gonna sell this, I wouldn't sell this. Even below here is tough. You need like resistance below. Probably buying above the highs here, or maybe even after that candle. Can you check gold real quick? We checked gold 3 times, bro. DJ closed below 183. Yeah, it did close below 183, but was tapping at the support. Remember I said sells below this line here, so we're pretty close, you know. If candles can close below this zone here, I would want to see a nice close below, and then maybe I can take sells towards the downside here. Eyes is the name of the the spelling of the SNR indicator. Yes, it is the spelling. You won't find it on Tradingview. You'll find it on your body. Discord. Yeah, bro, I believe you, brother. Yeah, I know. I told you this was the exact trade I would have taken. Thunderstorm, nice classic. People took it in chat. A lot of people took it in chat. But I told you I was having difficulties with my PC. I wasn't even looking at the charts. On GG, there's 4-hour levels, 180, 182, 849. Where? It's been tested by Wix. It's invalidated now, right? There's no levels. This is the most recent. This is the 4-hour level. 96. 49 is nothing because it's been invalidated by Wix. It wasn't a problem, kind of a problem, maybe now. I mean, this whole zone is messy. You are right. The whole zone is messy, but... Do you think how much pips as per trading we need to make in order to survive per trading? You don't need to. You don't need to make a certain amount of pips daily. That's not important. If you need more money, then you risk more per trade if your account can handle it, right? Exactly. Have you make a stream on how to find the support and resistance? I have videos on that. If this will load. In the full Forex course, there's a video on that. There's another, this support and resistance right here. Support and resistance zones. That's a great video on that. So yeah. Finished the trading plan today? Nice one. I have a bad experience trading on crypto. Should I move to Forex instead? I found more consistency myself in Forex. I've always found more consistency because we get moves around the same time. When wicks tap a higher time frame level behind the LTA, is it invalid? Not tap if it pushes through it. Tap means it's still respecting, right? When it pushes through it, then it becomes invalid. Harry, no break even today? Alright, fine. Then stop loss or TP. If that's how you guys want to play it, we'll play it like that. Stop loss or TP. Yeah, that's it. Stop loss or TP. Friday. Been a rough week and we make it rougher by allowing ourselves stop loss or TP. Gold, as I said, gold is doing nothing at the moment. If you're gonna buy, maybe buy above 1914. I still don't like it. Pre-NFP. Fake outs back into the range, possibly. But again, it's too early. You saw yesterday, no volume in gold London. No volume in gold London the day before. There hasn't been volume in gold on London, so why are we trying? It comes later. Sub Sharp, I'm all good, man. And yourself? Did you go over gold yet? Joined a little bit late? Yeah, just went over it right now. Hopefully you caught that. Cool. How many ticks on gold is equivalent to 10 pips in Euro USD? 100. Good man, just back testing. Nice. Gold buy, it could be a gold buy, but not till above 1914 800. I'm more bearish on gold though. Sells do make sense, but it's too early. I think if sells happen, they happen in NY. Especially with news today, it's tough. You know, news will make it inconsistent. Make sure you guys are watching stream in the highest quality by clicking your advanced settings, changing the quality to max. Because we are streaming in super high quality. Do you mark 15-minute structure lines or just high time frame 1 hour? I do mark 15-minute structure lines, like this is a 15-minute, but it's also a 4 hour, right? It's taken from here. So it depends where I'm trading. When it comes to trading, then I just mark different zones based on where I want to trade. Like I'm not gonna mark this because it's already tapped by 183 here. But like for example, this is a 15-minute zone that I have marked. These were nice sells here, pretty simple. Damn, who's spamming me? Damn. Let's get this stream to 100 likes. Yeah, I'd appreciate it. If you guys enjoying the stream, you know the drill. Do the YouTube business. What's the plan for the weekend? Plan for the weekend is work. I'm gonna work on what's this? On what's this day called? On Sunday we have the webinar, so that will be cool. So Sunday will be the webinar. That first webinar is gonna have a lot of content, and then that content's gonna be chopped up, and then I'm gonna post that for the people. They can see that in the drive for whoever joins the exclusive. Trading gold recently. Yesterday, gold moved later in London, pumped all the way up. Exactly. Yeah, maybe the same can. Yeah, that's what I'm populating. If gold, I don't think gold will move pre-London Open. I think maybe even an hour after London Open is the best time if it's gonna continue what it did yesterday. High time frame bearish, yeah. After that 3-month close and monthly close, it does look good to continue down. You'll watch the recording? Yeah, that's cool. It will be snipped up as well, so you don't have to watch one long recording. We'll snip the recording into three pieces. That's my plan. Whole Saturday myself going to be sick weather. Yeah, I've heard. I have some friends in the UK. People are saying it's nice weather. So enjoy that. Chill barbecue and shisha by the lake. That's nice, man. Sounds good, man. Sounds like a plan. You need to give a day to yourself. It's all grind, no game. Yes, it is all grind, no game, man. There's no day to myself. Constantly 24/7. The time I have off is the time that I have to record content and do stuff like that, right? Because I can't, it's tough to record content when you have meetings, when you have to stream, when you have to sort everyone out. So when you're busy doing that, then when on your off time, you have to record stuff, right? Catch up on work I missed during the week. I need to answer a few people. Like I'm delayed 1 week from answering one guy. Non-related, well, business related, but not directly related to trading and everything, but he asked me to write something up. I've been writing that up, all of that stuff, you know, you need to catch up on all of that. Yeah, I saw 15-minute closed up on gold, but again, I don't like trading gold right now. Yesterday it messed everyone up, right? But this is an option. 2 minutes for this candle to close could be an option. After what I saw yesterday, I'm not convinced. I rather have been in from this close here, so then I don't have to, then I can trade up to here. This one, this doesn't convince me. Really doesn't convince me. USD GPY is a little bit similar to GJ, but USD JPY is stuck at the support down here. Now it's pushing through it though, so yeah, sells breaking of that low was an option here. Yeah, 5 minute breaking these lows, yeah. So you'd be in already on UJ to continue bearish down to around 143.375, something like that. But for GJ, this is good. I want to see this 15-minute candle close bullish here. The next one close below. If we start breaking the low and pushing heavy, then maybe just we can enter using a 5-minute type close below here, which could be good to continue down. Stop loss will be what, 17 pips? Yeah, that's all right. I want this 15 to close below 183. Pretty important for me. Pretty important. I took gold buys. Good luck. You're gonna burn yourself out. 30 is about 30. Trading's about 30% time. Yeah, for sure, brother. I only spend 30% time trading. The rest I spend working. You can ask the people who know me personally how busy I am after that. I might make a video. On like an Instagram reel. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please do, at Tradesharpe. I put a lot of effort there. I might make an Instagram reel of my daily schedule and how I manage my time, because time management is super important as a person. Everyone complains, oh, I don't have time to trade because I work a job and my job doesn't pay enough, so what should I do? You know, and that's really easy to do if you have time management, because you get stuck into a routine, right? You can at least be able to allocate some time to learn a skill, more importantly. What will your program provide? As I think I may buy it. The program will provide a full catered, so you know how these stupid like influencers sell courses that don't really help you? It's equivalent of my YouTube channel, but just put in order. So they'll just sell you that, but the program, what I do for that is I sit one-on-one with you and we go through exactly the way I trade, and it's catered towards you. So it's your learning style, the method you want to learn in, and I just help you understand all of what I do. And yeah, we take you through 4 sessions. You can see the video on the website, and by the end of it, the goal is you should be pretty much on your way. And that's based on the results I've been seeing from others. Based on the way I've run it, they've been pretty good. In between, I'm checking up on you, giving you tasks to do, making sure that you're on the right track. So it's like an all-inclusive thing. Program Tradesharpe branded. Yeah, if we have an event here in Dubai, I'll make Tradesharpe branded water. For sure. Can high time frame levels be invalidated? No, they're invalidated once something closes above. That's when they're really invalidated. Did gold close above that resistance? Yeah, it closed at the resistance. This is the problem, right? Now it's the probabilities of this trade become 50-50 right now. probabilities become 50-50. So yeah. You're thinking about doing an event sometime in the future? Yeah, for sure. I'd love to do an event in the future. I love to speak to people live. I like to have people around. It's pretty cool. So I'd love to do something like that. But the problem is it would have to be in Dubai. So I think most people here are multinational, and being so global, it's a blessing, and also it's difficult to host something because you'd need people either to fly down or have to have a bigger audience who's in Dubai. But that'd be cool. That would be super cool. I don't think we spent enough time checking gold today. I think we need another look. Gold, I'm not, when it's NFP day, gold is not the best to trade. It has inconsistencies, and I don't like that. So I'm taking a step back from gold. Today's Friday. I don't want to lose money today. We have the whole month ahead of us. And in order to have a good month, you need to, be apprehensive. As we've seen, the markets have been a little bit tough since the beginning of the month. So in that terms, we just need to protect our capital now and look to expand it more and not go below your profits from the week on Friday, which is a common mistake. Yeah, people love gold today because it's NFP. NFP will be interesting in New York. Buy GJ? No, don't buy GJ right now. I wouldn't do it myself. Up to you, you can do that. Lineup. Yesterday, big news events. Same during London and then move in NY. Yeah. NFP is a big news event. As I said, look, gold has not done anything. It's doing nothing. It's trying to go up, trying to go down at the moment. Until you get a close above that level that I have marked out, until you have a candle closing above here, it's 50-50. Right? This is a key zone, and you don't want to buy before that zone. Until something, even like a 5-minute would give you at least some sort of confirmation, but now there's nothing closing above. Entered gold at 1916, drew the pullback. 19, yeah, come on, bro. That's an amazing entry. That's a great entry. Look at that. 1.6 down here. Damn. You can see high lows, 4-hour profits. Might exit now. Don't feel like holding this. No, I think it would be cool, bro. Yeah, I'll type it to you. There we go. So now if this 5-minute can close above, then you will have higher probabilities of this continuing up. If not, then it might continue down. I think GJ is good to buy, brother. You've been saying GJ good to buy, then just buy it, brother. Buy it and see what happens. Legendary glass. Yeah, I have a few of these glasses. I like them. Solid quality, none of this stuff, And it holds the liquidity water, right? We need liquidity water while trading. And I need to refill it now. You live in a hot country, you have to drink a lot of water, man. Especially if you're also working out. And before stream, I do almost an hour of cardio. Heavy cardio, so I'm sweating. Right, so I do cardio in the mornings, and then I train later on in the day as well. So I have 2 sessions a day, so water for me is important. I need to drink a lot. I have the same glass? No way, that's pretty cool. Anyone who has the same glass, post it on Instagram and tag me in your story. I'll post it. What's this? I think some rice found its way up with me. I swear to God, some rice found its way up. Some rice found its way up. How much do you squat? I do heel elevated squats. So you heel elevate your squats like this, and then you squat it. So it's pretty. Probably with that I do over 3 plates. I drink water from a bottle. I'm poor to drink from a glass. Come on, man, it's not that bad. Glasses are cheap. We must manifest the pips. Yes. Rice founded means a trade is coming? Yes, potentially. Look at gold, there's so much action. Brother, you full. I can see the price. It's in the same spot. 1 pip. It's 1 pip different. Oh, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. So 5-minute did not even close below, which is not good. I can't enter without a 5-minute closing below. So at least I need this 5-minute to close. Hopefully this can make a top wick now. It would be cool to see this broken first, then make a top wick, and then we continue down. And then I'll look for sells to continue bearish. Bad close 5-minute. I think it will go down without us. If it does, then it's okay. It doesn't follow the plan. I'm just waiting for this close. 3 minutes till this candle closes. We'll see if we can get anything. If this just continues down, it continues down. What can I do? Bring out the blue line. Hopefully soon. If this doesn't push too heavy, then we could be okay. Zoom in on your chart, looks so far away. I can zoom in a little for you, no problem. If you guys enjoying the stream, please be sure to leave a like. There's around 200 of us in here. Appreciate everyone showing up on Friday. Pleasure to have you as always. Hope you guys are benefiting from the stream. And let me know if you are. And if you are, leave a like. Almost 100 likes. I know I hate to say it, but you know, it is part of the game. So if you do that for me, I do appreciate it. If you're new to these streams, leave a subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. This channel posts a lot of content, right? A lot of content is being posted on the channel to help you guys. And it's no BS content, right? Everything is transparent and there for you guys to learn. So definitely take advantage of it. I don't know why you won't. All I did is I made a channel. When I struggled to learn to trade, I just made a channel and said, okay, whatever I struggled with, let me talk about it. That's all I did. Morning, KB. Hope you're well, brother. $5-minute just made a top wick now. So that's interesting to see this 5-minute make a top wick. Any early sellers are now in trouble. So we do need this to close below though. If this 15 does not close below, obviously we're in trouble here. Not trouble, but you know what I mean. $217 watching? Yes, sir. I appreciate everyone showing up. We'll try beat the stream record. Stream record is 260 viewers. We try get to 300. 300 is the next goal. So we need to beat 260. So if we can get 270, but we need price to be moving fast, because that's when people show up, when price is moving nicely. Yes, it will be 30-minute close as well. All right. See how this candle closes. $30 seconds to close. Damn, don't push without us. Come on, GJ. Don't do anything dirty. In 28 seconds. You have 28 seconds. Just chill. Chill, chill, chill. How big is our stop now? I need a top wick and then I'll enter probably at the break of the low. Top wick first though. Top wick is mandatory. Yeah. So once this flips and breaks the low, I'll be in. Stop loss will be pretty big here. 19 pip stop loss. 23 pip target. Yeah, we need a pretty big drive for it. We'll probably be close somewhere around here. At the 30-minute support, we'll go break even. Alright, broke the lows here. I'm in. Stop above these highs. Max TP down here. Break even is gonna be this 30-minute support right here. Manage this trade by anything closing above this zone here. Probably manage it. But yeah, this is immediate rejection here. Not the best, but we might have to hold this out for a grinder and probably hold some drawdown and stuff like that, but it's all good. It's part of the game. When's a good time to buy? Brother, you keep asking to buy. I'm not looking to buy at the moment. Everything's moving down. You're thinking to buy now? I don't think it's a good idea. Moving very slow here. I have a 5-minute close. How did the 5-minute close? Yeah, not the best 5-minute close. Maybe need a pullback to continue down. Maybe we have to grind this trade out. Maybe we have to grind this trade out, sit, relax, and wait, and suffer, drawdown. Why you look scared? Not scared, brother. I'm saying we might have to suffer drawdown in this, which obviously we are. You already in? Unfortunately, at the moment, yes, I am. 0.01 compared to 5 lot looks very different. Yeah, of course. Not a good time to sell? Yeah, it wasn't a good time to sell this time. Seems like it rejected. But out of the last 90% win rate, 90% of the time I've been right on stream, which I'm very grateful for. And, you know, it's not over till I get stopped, right? Time to stop loss? Maybe. Maybe. We shall see what happens. Harry, with all the mindset, always part of the game is win. Yeah, man, this doesn't worry me. I can't complain. Markets have been great. It's just a business expense at the beginning of the month if this ends up a loss. But you guys, you see a bit of drawdown, you get scared. Not always we're going to get a quick, easy move that, goes directly, easily for us, straight to TP. Sometimes we might have to hold a bit of drawdown here, a bit of drawdown there. You don't know what can happen, right? As long as you don't move your stops, yeah, you shouldn't be moving stops. That's a bad idea. Keep them in the original place. And that's that. Don't enter if you're not ready to lose. Yeah, exactly. I just expect to win most of the time. I don't know what the next trade gonna be. Next trade could be a loss. Next trade could be the best win of your life. You don't know. Right? You just take it day by day and focus on taking the next trade, and that's that. And look, let's see if you guys can see this. Look at my heart rate. Heart rate right now is 62 beats per minute. Calm. Can you guys see that? Let's see. Did you guys see that? No, you guys can't see that. Let me show you. Came down close to our entry and now pushing back up. That's not good. It almost did it, right? This one here. Rejected this support. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. Four minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. I'm in this with you? I guess so. Mine is 86. Be calmer. It's okay, man. It's a loss. I focus on the next trade. Wrote with a pen on you? You probably shouldn't trade if you're drunk, brother. Entered with 100 lots? Big boy stuff, huh? Big boy games, 100 lots. Yes, sir. How the fuck when I trade with streamers, every time I lose? I don't know, man, because maybe you're not focusing on the skill, right? If you've been joining my stream for the last, how many months? 2-3 months, you would have 18 wins, 2 losses, and 7 break even. And that's pretty good stats if you ask me. 18 wins is pretty good. Three months, yeah, 3 months. Uh-oh. Full stop loss, maybe. One hour flipped. Let's have a look. Yeah, 1 hour might flip here. There we go, it flipped now. Now we might hit full stops. I'm waiting for this 15-minute to close. Once the 15 closes, I can probably manage the trade. What you gonna do with the 15-minute close? If it breaks, the next candle breaks the high, I'm gonna close full. Or unless I just get stopped out now. Which I think it'll just stop me out right now. If this pushes in the next 1 minute candle here, maybe we get a big push and I'll just be stopped out. And that'll be that, end of story. Here we go, straight to stop. But what if? What if we are protected here? Last 10 seconds. Yeah, now I'm just gonna move my stop here. Like that. Save 2-3 pips. Nice, we're at entry. I'm probably going to close half at entry. I'm not too confident in this trade. I'm probably going to close half at entry. And then I'll leave the rest. So I'll just be half risk in this trade. Once we break this wick, I'll probably go break even. Alright, I'm moving stops to break even, making this risk free. I'm not playing games. Come on, guys, let's fucking go. Move stops, break even. Move stops, break even. Don't play games. Don't play games. Come on, GJ. Show me the juice here. Come on. Go to break even, guys. Go to break even, guys. No playing games. TP1 somewhere around here, these wicks here. I don't like the way it's rejecting now. You could look to just take some profits at this 30-minute support, but if you wanted to push through, then hold. It wouldn't be a bad idea to take some profits here, so maybe close half here at this 30-minute support. Wouldn't be a bad idea to close a bit at this 30-minute support. Really wouldn't. Yeah, this 30-minute support is trouble. That's why we're seeing rejection from there. I want to see if the 5-minute can open and fill the wick. Otherwise, I'm going to get tapped at break even. My entry is a little bit here like this, so I'm basically going to be break even pretty soon here, to be honest. I still haven't tapped B. Nice, 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 nice. Let's see this. I don't like the rejection. I'm probably going to take some profit here. If this flips and reflips, I'm just going to take some profit here. If that flips and reflips, I'm going to take some profit. Nice. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Let's go, GJ. Come on. Bit more, bit more. Come on, GJ. Do it for me. Nah, it doesn't like this zone. Come on. I'm gonna give this candle to close. Nice. Look, I'm gonna secure pretty soon here, guys. It's really messing around, and I want to take some profits on Friday. I don't want to lose profits on Friday. So I'm probably gonna secure right around in the next probably 2 minutes here. Yeah, I'm basically gonna move my stop loss to this 1 minute high like this. So if it re-breaks that 1 minute high, I'm out. I'm out if it re-breaks that 1 minute high. So if this high gets broken on the 1 minute, I'm out. I'm out. There we go. Profits taken. And I'm done. W's in the chat. Let's go. Small trade, but what to do? Markets are messing around. What's that? 12 pips. Yeah, again. Let's go. I'm out. I'm just taking profits. It's really choppy here. You guys can hold if you want to hold, but hold at break even. There's no point of losing this trade. I really just want to be out of this trade, to be honest, and not lose the profits I have, right? I don't want to lose the profits I have. It's Friday, and yeah, let's get it. See. Sweat on stream today came very close to stop loss, but W's in the chat, you know what I'm saying. How much you up? I'm up only around 400 on that 3.9 with commission like 350. Nothing really. It's small trade, but this rejection we're seeing now. Look, I would have lost that 300. I'm happy to make $300 on that instead of losing that money. Like, I just rather secure and be done. It probably does end up playing out, but let's see. My entry was something like this. That was my entry. So let's see if it does end up actually playing out. And then I'll keep that as information. But end of the week, I want to take a little bit of profits, and I don't want to give back any profits. So, and it was a sweat, right? We were sweating on that trade. That was a sweat. Yeah, look, that respected that 30-minute nicely. This should now start to melt. Maybe it should have held. But anyways. Could have, should have, would have. Could have, should have, would have. How much loss was I with near stop loss? Around 800 at that point. 800 something. I actually didn't look at it. I didn't want to look at it. That's my trick. I don't look at it. It was probably more. Probably $1,000, but I wasn't looking at it. Why is my spreadsheet not working? Oh, because I'm not signed in. Sign in here. This looks like it wants to continue down here. Maybe I should have held. But would have, could have, should have. Or is that, you know. Close half with 260. Yeah, closing half. Yeah, that would have been good to close half. Yeah, maybe I should have just closed half. Didn't think of that. Did not think of that. Yeah, I should have just closed half. Right, so whoever bought... Where's T-Rex? T-Rex said he bought gold. Let's see how his gold... Where are you in the chat, T-Rex? Because he said he bought gold here. And it kind of didn't play it out. So I want to know what was his idea behind buying gold. And why did he buy gold here? Just so I can see. And maybe he can consider this 1 hour support that I had here. And that's why gold didn't play out, right? Crest, what time was that trade? Yeah, I don't look at it, bro. I don't look at it. I close the trade on my phone, and on my MetaTrader here, you can see the trade. I closed the profit window so I don't see the profits or anything. This was the trade on MetaTrader. Should have held, right? But yeah, I'd rather have taken something than nothing. I think closing half was the right idea here, to close half. Anyhow, solid trade. End of the day was a win. Yeah, if you're still in the trade, I'll probably just look to close probably soon here. Probably around here should be good to just close all. Yeah, I would just close all around here, to be honest. Yeah. So these days, our trades have been really small pip-wise. Terrible pip-wise trades. Before, look, 16, 19, 15, 19 pips, 16, 17, and then 12, 12, and then today 10 only. It's really, really bad pip-wise. The market has been not pushing as much. And I think I just need to give my trade more room, right? I just need to give my trade more room. I think the trade we took was at this time, which was this candle here. 10:45 we took it. 10:30, yeah, 10:30 was the trade. This was setup number 1, close below the range. It was a sell, and only 10 pips. Not the best, not the best. But yeah, look. 19, 20 pips we used to get before, 17, now 12, 12, 10. So hopefully next week after the news this changes. But nevertheless, that's a win on stream. So I'm happy to see that win. And yeah, beautiful trade. We'll take it, right? So if you guys enjoyed that, that was a sweat. That was a proper sweat, man. McDonald's down the street? Yes, sir. A win's a win, indeed. And you see what I mean? I followed my plan. That was a sweat trade. That's probably what influenced me to close in profits. I probably got a bit emotional with that. Even I make mistakes like that. What's 19 wins now? Win calculator. What's the win percentage now? Christ, what's the win? If we didn't hold all that drawdown, would have been clearer. Yeah, for sure. That's exactly. That drawdown was heavy, man. It was really heavy. It was basically a loss. I thought there's, last minute we got saved. 90.48. I'll just leave 90%, man. It's fine. Yeah, we'll put 19.4. Make it look sophisticated. But yeah, great job, guys. Leave a like on the stream for that. W is for that win, man. Followed the plan. We stuck to it. We sat there patiently. Right? We sat there patiently. We held the trade and it ended up playing out. Amazing. Damn. Sweaty, that one. That's full sweaty. I think I was probably 1,000 something. Yeah, 18 pip drawdown, 1,000 something. I made enough to pay for Starbucks coffee. Gold achieved. Yes, pays for today's membership, right? What's the date? The 7th? Yeah, today's the 7th. Need to manage a few things. Good morning, late today? Morning, man. Yeah, rice. Definitely rice today, at least a little bit of worth of rice. Triggered the low exit break even. I was even entered. You saw my entry was a little bit lower. Like my entry was actually around somewhere around here. My entry on the broker 790 was my entry. I can actually check my exact entry. My exact entry on the broker was let's have a look. My exact entry was, yeah, 790. Yep, 790. So that was that. Win 3 pips, yeah, man. It's rough. Look at this now. It's not even pushing nicely. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up the stream. This is Friday. We did end up in a profitable position, which is key. We did not give back to the market, which is key. I wonder if see what everyone else has done. Yeah, so there we go. That was key, not to give profits back to the market. Look at this rejection. This is exactly what I'm talking about, and it's very, very difficult to close exactly. You know, I think if I didn't hold that drawdown, I would have been more inclined to just leave the trade open. But yeah, nice. Venom did well here today. And yeah, main thing is we ended up in profit. So I appreciate everyone showing up. Be sure to leave a subscribe, like, all of that stuff. This week's video coming out is going to be a very interesting video. It's going to be talking about why I chose well, actually, I'll let you guys see that controversial video. So you guys are going to enjoy the comments on that video, because people are going to hate on that video. But that's why I'm making it, because just to share my opinion. So yeah, I appreciate everyone showing up, and have an amazing weekend. Don't give back profits in NFP. Stay safe, guys. Don't do anything stupid. There's no point. And with that being said, take care, and hopefully catch you guys on the very next stream. Peace.